Good evening, everyone from Sydney, Australia. I'm here to discuss one of the articles I had written 5 days ago, and it was published 2 days ago, which is on the 28th of June 2026. The title is Mind Over Matter and the Truth Behind Manifestation. Again, the time now is 10:27 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time, the 30th of June 2026. Manifestation, when it's unmasked, it has a relation between quantum physics, neuroscience, myth, subconscious mind, or what we call the conscious mind, state of mind, and how hidden fears can create the opposite of what you want. What's the meaning of manifestation? Manifestation means the popular idea that focused thoughts, visualizations or visual, emotions and vibrations that can attract desired outcomes into reality. There's a core claim based on other research, including myself, that like attracts like. And also positive thoughts and feelings draw positive experiences. On the hindsight, negative ones, or what we call the hidden fears that we have on our subconscious state, okay, can sabotage or even legitimize or materialize the intentions that we have on a reverse form or opposite form. The proponents frequently invoke physics, or what we call quantum physics, and psychology, emotions, and behavior to legitimize the manifestation itself. And again, based on my research and others as well, that it is very powerful that the combination of manifestation and what we call RAS, or what we call reticular activating system, or the meaning of that means that's the abbreviation is RAS, RAS, which means it's a brain filter. It filters what's reality and what's not reality, or what we call unrealistic approach in life, or what is delusional and what is reality. And for that, brain filter, or what we call RAS, as well as the manifestation, go hand in hand. And it's very powerful, and it's real, and it's factual, and it can materialize that we wanted in life in the next future to come. And for that, a human mind does shape our reality. It is true, it's factual. And for that, primarily through based on our intentions, attention, as well as expectation of life, behavior, emotions, and also by not bending to a quantum fields, or what we call sending vibrations to a responsive universe. They explain why focused intentions, sometimes appears magical when things go in accordance to what we think, based on the collaboration with subconscious and conscious state of mind. So again, it produced exactly what we really wanted if the subconscious state and the conscious state work correlated to each other. The true manifestation also work from a scientific perspective point of view. It involves becoming conscious of the unconscious mind, especially fears, or overcoming fear. Once the fear is overcome or once you overcame fear, rather, the thoughts align to itself, and feelings and actions in service becomes a reality in itself. It's no longer a goal, it's no longer a plan, it is a realistic, it materializes. So it requires as well discernment, what we call understanding. And we have to show our effort on humility rather than passive wishing or forced positivity itself. The most reliable fact is not to treat the universe as a mirror of your thoughts alone, but to understand and wisely direct the remarkable filtering, or what we call the RAS, filtering of your brain and the feedback system already inside your brain. It has to work hand in hand to have a manifestation that can be a reality. And for that, what hidden fears are brought into awareness, and when it's addressed, it narrows the gap between the conscious and the subconscious state of mind, which means this is not a quantum magic. It is a human psychology in most practical and transformative form of your life. So again, true manifestation, it involves the connection between science, neuroscience, and what we call the realistic and brain filter of realistic and unrealistic approach in life. So again, you are what you think. Our brain is very powerful. So anything can happen based on what we think of ourselves on a conscious state or waking state, and a subconscious state or while we are asleep. So again, I'll think of something that will be much more impactful in a day or so. So again, this time it's prevalent that this topic is addressed as well as discussed, because our mind is very powerful, and anything is possible once we have a right mindset and a good outlook in life. Again, have a great night to everyone, and I'll think of something that will be more insightful and impactful in a day or so. Have a good night to everyone. Love one another. Bye for now.